Hey, Sarah. Do you think we'll again? We might. Sure.
Yuna, just one question. Can't you just talk to Maester Seymour? You got to him?
I think it is the right thing to do.
Hey!
You're kidding, huh?
I thought so.
We'll be okay. Calm down.
Get off me.
Man, I wish we had a horse. I love horses.
Summoner Yuna, you have sworn to protect the people of Yevon. True? Then consider. You have inflicted dire injury upon Maester Seymour Guado, conspired with the Albed and joined in their insurrection. These are traitorous and unforgivable crimes that disturb the order of Yevon. Tell this court what possessed you to participate in such violence.
Kill all sons of bitches. That's my official instructions.
Great plan.